I'm unfortunately old enough to remember when the All-Ireland finals were the third week of September, and I'm even old enough to remember when we got a day off school when Down won the All-Ireland in 91, 94.
1968
No,
was a great year, wasn't it, Paul?
I think, yeah. So we got a day off school in 94. I'm all for the September All-Ireland finals.
For Down winning them.
Yeah, for Down winning them. He must have got a day off nursery school when Derry won their one in a row.
I was 4.5. I wasn't. It wasn't even 5. No, I was just short of 5. But there's a famous photo. Not famous. It's a photo in our house. It's not a famous photo.
It's famous in
a photo in our house of me and the brother holding Sam Maguire with the whole school, and the couple of Derry players had brought it. But I was raging at Danny Click, the photographer, because he captioned it that I was Cahill.
Oh, really?
I remember being raging at the age of 5. Like, if we push those All-Ireland finals back 2 weeks into August, what do we gain? The only thing that changes about the entire calendar is that the All-Ireland hurling final and the All-Ireland football final move back. There's not another game in the whole season that moves under the proposal. So what's the point of that? The damage that it does for the value that you're going to get out of those extra couple of weeks. Well, you take Galway as an example, right? So Galway need 14 weekends. Massive dual county. So many dual players. They need 14 weekends to play their hurling and football championships. They played week on week. This year they are due to start on the August bank holiday weekend, on the first weekend of August. So that would be redundant to them next year, and the weekend after would be redundant to them as well. So they've lost 2 weeks. The last time there was a restructure, they had to cut their number of games. The clubs were guaranteed with their county players from 64. If this happens, they're having to cut from 43. Like 3 games for clubs with their county players in a whole year is bizarre. It's not right.